Hello, welcome back to Jorex Affiliate Gist. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step process on how to carry out your identity verification on your AdSense account. You all know that as a YouTuber, before you get paid on YouTube, you will first have to link your account to your Google AdSense account, because that is where you will be getting your payment and not directly on your YouTube account. So after you might have linked your account, what YouTube will require from you is that you will have to hit your first $10. So after you get monetized, once you hit your first $10 on your YouTube account, Google AdSense is going to send you this particular notification right here, so that you'll be able to verify your identity, and this will enable you to set up your bank details for payment, because without you carrying out this particular process called identity verification, you will not be able to get paid. All your earnings will pause, because Google will only give you limited time for you to carry out this process, and this takes around 30 days to 40 days for you to get this done. Else, as you stop, your earnings will stop counting and your access earnings is going to be paused. So on this video, we are going to carry out this process right now using my own account, because I just got monetized and I have met up with the minimum amount of $10. So before I got this particular message from the AdSense, I actually got this. I got over $10 within a space of 2 days of monetization. So I was able to earn over $10, and the identity verification came up. So this is why I had to make this video, to educate those that don't know how this works or how to actually verify their identity. And thanks to Google, they have now made this pretty easier, because compared to the past, you will have to submit your identity and it will take some days for AdSense to verify this identity, and in most cases you will come back and see that they have rejected the details that you sent. You know, you need to have either your voters card or your national identity card, and note that your name will have to match with the name on the ID card, and your address must be the same. So these are the things that you need to take note while you are working towards your monetization on YouTube. You must make sure to get your documents ready, because any small mistake, like any mistake on name or address, is going to cost you a whole lot of things. Like you will get what you didn't expect from YouTube or from AdSense. So without wasting much of our time, I want to quickly carry out this process with you guys on my own personal account, and it's going to be live right now. Know that AdSense has now introduced the online verification, where you will have to scan your face and upload others' details and get verified just within 5 to 10 minutes. So let's dive in.
Right now, after my YouTube account got monetized, I earned over $10 within the first for 48 hours. So they sent me this particular notification from AdSense for me to verify my identity. So that's what I want to do now. I proceed by clicking on actions. As you can see, this is the new method that YouTube has just added, where you can verify your identity through the online process instead of the formal method that everybody knows. So I will just click on verify now, then I will continue. After clicking on continue, I'll just wait for it to load. So it's taking me to this particular place, and it says getting started. We need some information to help us confirm your identity. By clicking this button below, your consent to personal collecting using and utilizing its service providers to process your information, include your biometric information to verify your identity, prevent fraud, improve personal platform, and otherwise use your data in accordance with its privacy policy. Personal will then provide Google with your name as it appear on your identity document, as well as outcome of your identity verification. Personal will not store your information for more than 60 days unless necessary for quality assurance purposes. Google will not access this information. So you have seen what they have said. So I have to click on begin with verification. So after clicking on verification, I'm a Nigerian, so I leave it at Nigerian. Then I click on select. Which ID card do I want to use right now? So in this particular place, I'm going to use my own voters card. So I proceed by clicking on the voters card, and now it says take a clear photo of the front of your voters card. This is what I'm going to do right now. Then let me click on allow. So after taking this photo, let me say use this photo, and it's processing the ID. You just have to wait for it to process. Okay, you see now it has automatically pop up the information that I have on my ID card without me needing to enter my name, date of birth, date and year. You've seen it now. It has automatically synchronized all the information that is on my ID. So now the only thing they request for me now to type is address, and they say yeah, start typing to autocomplete address. Okay, that's what it says. I should start typing. I just have to type in my address by myself. So you just have to enter these information very carefully. And see right here. Then I'll click on continue. You see, let's make sure you position yourself in the center of. So this one is going to take my face. I'm going to take my face right now. So let me get started. I just have to wait for it to process. Ooh, congratulations, you are done. Thanks for verifying your identity. So as you can see it right there, I have successfully verified my identity. Wow, this is very impressive, and I love this new online method because previous method was very stressful. Like you need to go through a lot of processes where you will have to submit your identity, and it will take some days to review, and only for you to come and get a rejected message. So I click on done. Now let's check verification check. As you can see right there, identity verification completed. So now I have now verified my identity complete. Now I'm just waiting for time to reach so that I can start, you know what I mean.
So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, drop your comments on the comment section, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.